So I'm walking down Russell Street in Tralee towards the Mall. My cane is moving left to right against the shoreline on the left. There's a curb there at the edge of the path. Now the footpath is level with the road or shared space. So you've got a 5-line tactile guiding strip which I'm walking on, and there's a metal drainage channel on the left. And as you hear, a car or two are just coming by me, so you have to be very careful that you don't walk onto the road in error, because you're very, very close to traffic. Now the guiding strip is changing direction, and there's a pole, and this is a pedestrian crossing. It's a raised pedestrian crossing, and as you see, the footpath is level with the road, so there's no ditch or slope to warn you. Now it's safe to cross the road. These are these pillars, bollards that are in place until 11 o'clock, as the area is pedestrianised between 11 and 5. So following the guiding strip, it ended, and now we've got a drainage channel, and you see there it's all shared space. The footpath is level with the road, and if you were to walk forward, you'll see there you could walk straight onto the road. So to get back, you'd have to follow a tactile guiding strip in the absence of a curb to be able to cross that road, for example. As you see, it's all shared space, footpath level with the road. Now we're just going to cross over to Shaw's, and again this is the blister tactile underfoot, but you'll see here the footpath is level with the road. This is a 5-line tactile guidance strip, and you got a metal drainage channel on the right as well. So you'll see here that you're very, very close to traffic, and there's no room for error. So this is walking up Russell Street from the opposite side with the building line on my left, 5-line tactile guiding strip underfoot, and footpath level with the road or shared space. So there's absolutely no room for error. You're just centimeters away from the road. And now the tactile guiding strip has ended with a pole, which probably jokingly says shared space. This is the sign of the curb again. So now we're back to safety. Curb offers you protection from walking onto the road in error. But if we do walk backwards towards Dominic Street, we're going down Russell Street again, building line on our right. Now tactile has started. This is probably a pole with the warning shared space, probably. So now 5-line tactile guiding strip underfoot, footpath level with the road, no room for error. If you can't feel this, you've got diabetes or neuropathy, or it's raining, or a sore ankle or wrist, it'll be on straight in the middle of the road. And this is how close you are with silent vehicles, you can't even hear them. So tactile guidance strip, 5-line, I'm walking on it, move my cane left to right, metal drainage channel on the right, and that's how close you are to traffic. No room for error. And we're approaching a traffic light now. So press the button, Prisma Technic. Now it's safe to cross the road now. There's a couple of metal studs, and I'm going to go right, follow the tactile guidance strip, which they've in place instead of a curb, but it's not sufficient. There always needs to be curbs. So some van or something on my right. As you see, the tactile guidance strip continues down the road to Staunton's Row, and we've got a metal drainage channel on the right, and we've got the 5-line tactile guidance strip on the left hand side. As you see, you're very close to cars, all level, shared space, no room for error. And it's essentially that roads are not built at the same level as footpaths. So curb is restarted. Another sign is probably the sign with warning shared space. But no signs will protect you from walking onto the road in error. So I've just turned around. I'm following the 5-line tactile guidance strip underfoot, metal drainage channel on the right, shoreline or building line on my right hand side, and shortly the road diverges onto Dominic Street. Okay, so that's and Dominic Street is a pedestrianised street, and there's a 5 centimetre drainage channel on my left, which is where the curb used to be. So a few tables and chairs, and we're turning a corner now. Some bollards there. I wonder is this wrong? I don't think I've been down here before. Yeah. It's the music, and the chairs have put me off direction. So now I've got my left foot in the drainage channel, and I'm following it around the corner to Tesco the Square. So my cane is left to right, my foot is in the 5 centimetre drainage channel, and that's my way to try and keep a straight line or have some orientation, because the square has all these granite balls and they do your knees a lot of damage. So the drainage channel has just disappeared, so I'm going to follow the wall or the building line with the shops on the right hand side. Now there's something overhead because there's a bit of an echo. There are flower boxes, and building line on my right hand side. Now if I move out, square off now back to the building, walk forward, there should be a shore or a drainage channel in the middle of the road, and I can use my cane from left to right, or you can walk in it. If you're a guide dog user, you'd probably have to walk in it. Wouldn't do your ankle any favours, but that's how you stay straight in a straight line. And the road is, the footpath here is at kind of a slope, so you can kind of feel when you're walking that it's kind of an angle, maybe 15 or 20 degree angle. So the drainage channel has just ended. Kind of a railing on the right, so I'll go to the left to be outside Tesco, and my cane is going from left to right. And now there's what's called a tap rail. It's to stop trolleys hitting the glass. This is the entrance to Tesco. Another tap rail on the right. And now we square off with the building and walk over to the bus stop. So there's a car going across, I can hear it. I'll wait for it to go. So I'll walk forward and hope for the best. Surface has been recently resurfaced here, nice smooth surface, and we're just walking towards the bus stop now.